3, 2, 1, start. The Supreme Court of India in Writ Petition under bracket criminal number 81 of 2006 has requested the Law Commission to assist it with certain issues relating to child marriage. The Supreme Court, in its order dated 27/3/2006, has also noted that different laws specify different ages while defining a child, and there are various contradictions between these legislations. The writ petition, which has been filed by the Delhi State Commission for Women and the National Commission for Women, points out that while the word child is defined as any person below the age of 18 in the Indian Majority Act and the Juvenile Justice under bracket Care and Protection Act 2000, it was 18 for girls and 21 for boys in the Child Marriage Restraint Act 1929, hereafter CMRA. The Hindu Marriage Act also prescribes the same minimum ages for a marriage. The writ petition further states that though the Indian Penal Code contains no definition of the word child, the age of consent for the girl for sexual intercourse is 16 under section 375 IPC, while in married couples the age of consent is presumed to be 15. The petition therefore recommends that there should be a uniform definition of child in all legislations for the sake of uniformity and for the sake of protecting children against child abuse. It argues that the legal minimum age for marriage is 18 under a number of ratified international agreements and the laws of many countries. It argues that all marriages under the age of 18 should be void. It further prays that the Union of India should be directed to amend the laws relating to age of marriage and minimum age of giving sexual consent so that both are in conformity with each other. The petition prays for deletion of the explanation under section 375 IPC, under which marital rape is not considered rape unless the wife is under 15 years of age. Amongst the reasons given for declaring marriages under the age of 18 void is the reason that child marriage is usually forced marriage and no full and informed consent can be given by a person under 18. Child marriage is also stated to be akin to child abuse, and for many girls is the beginning of frequent and unprotected sexual activity which can have serious health consequences like anemia, maternal mortality, infant mortality, and result in certain diseases like HIV/AIDS. The petition points out that young girls are more prone to domestic violence and have limited social networks. The rights of young girls, like the right to education and the right to an all round development, are violated by child marriage. It is pertinent to point out that after the writ petition was filed, the Child Marriage Restraint Act 1929 has been revamped and the Prohibition of Child Marriage Act 2006 has been enacted. It is a well known fact that child marriage has a specific gender dimension, and the adverse effects of child marriage have a greater impact on a girl child. We need to examine whether the new act addresses all the concerns relating to child abuse, health, and human rights, which are inevitable consequences of child marriage. Stop.